In this video, I will talk about how you can improve your English speaking, specifically English speaking. I'm assuming that you know already few basic grammar rules such as tenses, subject, verb, agreement, and little bit part of speech. And you are little bit reading, you are listening, and you are writing to improve that part. But when it comes to speaking, you need an English environment or a person to speak, right? So I have solution. I will share the solution, and I will, on top of that, I will share few tips to improve, to speak more, because at one point of time we face that challenge. Like, okay, now I started speaking. Now what to speak on, right? Which topic to speak on, right? So I will share how to initiate conversation, how to with strangers, and I will also share few privacy or security things as well. But that application is available on Play Store, so it means that it is secure. That's why it is available on Play Store. And I also started speaking. I also started speaking because of that application. One of my friends has suggested me that application, and I was learning grammar rules, I was reading, I was listening to improve that part. And but when it comes to speaking, I cannot find any person, I could not find any person. So and environment. So I've got to know that application. I used a lot. So one more thing I will emphasize, which is, if you want to improve your English speaking, you have to speak more, you have to speak a lot. At least not 20 minutes, not 50 minutes, at least 2 hour, at least 2 hour, honestly. If you actually want to get in the habit of speaking in English, and if you want to start thinking in English, so let's jump on that application. Okay, so this application name is Open Talk. So you could sign in using Google account, and for privacy and security purpose, use your different name and different details. Do not use the correct details. So let's you can see the interface. It is showing connect with co-learners. uh, Other things are not relevant. We just have to click on this connect with the co-learners. So I'm gonna click this. Yes, that I have clicked it. Now this application is going to help me to connect. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Hello. How are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm also great, brother. Where are you from? You?
I'm from India, Delhi.
Wow.
And I can see that it is written like you are from Bangladesh, Chittagong area. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I originally from Bangladesh,
Mm-hmm.
but I have been living Dubai for 4 years.
Okay, so means you are talking with me from Dubai, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how long you have been using this application?
I think 3 weeks, 3 4 weeks.
3 4 weeks. Great. So how would you rate on a scale of 10 this application?
Really, my skill is not good because I'm learning.
Why it is not good for you?
My English is not good.
Okay, your English is not good, right? Application, no, this application is amazing. It connects with people quickly, so we don't have to wait. We don't have to wait. As I have also tried a couple of applications, which as not good as this, because those application takes a lot of time to connect with people. So this connects quickly. So yes. So let's talk about something. What is the weather of Dubai?
Dubai weather is right now is good
Okay,
because winter is coming.
okay. So just want to share with you, just want to let you know that I am a YouTuber. I also record YouTube videos on
Oh,
English topic.
wow, nice. Maybe sometime I interest YouTube how to You can how to channel. Actually, I don't know how to use YouTube channel.
You just have to search on YouTube how to use YouTube. Honestly,
Okay, YouTube channel. Tell me your name, YouTube channel.
I am a very small YouTuber. I have only 2 subscribers. I have only two subscribers.
Oh, you want your brother? Someday we will bigger YouTuber.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So just wanted to this recording or this conversation is a part of YouTube video. So if I record this and I can upload on YouTube, this conversation.
Yeah. You can.
Uh,
Okay, tell me, brother, where you his channel name.
my channel name is I am Irshad only.
I am a short.
Yes, I am not I am. There is one I and then
M.
M and then space Irshad, IRSH Irshad. I think it's not going to come on search because it is very it is not. Then I did not upload, as I have only uploaded few videos, so it's not going to search. It is not going to come in search result. So that's it. No, don't have to. I will my telegram channel name, my telegram name is at the rate Irshad hyphen hello. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, at the rate Irshad hyphen hello. You can message me there, and I'll share my Instagram. Okay.
Okay, actually, I not use Instagram, only Facebook.
Okay. So no worries. So I was saying that let's talk. Let's speak on a
Why
topic.
is your voice not clear now?
What?
Wi-Fi connections.
Bro, I'm using pretty much good connection, right? I have broadband. I'm using Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, normal connection, SIM card connection.
Yeah, connection is weak. Now is okay. I heard it. Okay, tell me.
Okay, so just message me on Instagram. We will talk there. Okay. Okay. We will talk later. We will talk later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Nice to talk to you. Bye bye.
Okay, nice to meet you. Next conversation. Have a good day.
Same to you,
Bye.
same to you, same to you. Bye bye. So as you have seen that this is how you can use this application. Unfortunately, I have only talked with one person because this video is going longer. So that's why. So this is how this application connects with stranger, with people quickly. So this is one of the advantage of this application. I have used so many applications. This is the best one, and I think it allows you to speak 50 minutes. I haven't used it, but I have talked with couple of strangers. They said that you can use it till 50 minutes. The limit is 50 minutes daily, the free one. Then if you don't have to purchase the premium one. And one more thing before ending this video, I wanted to share few tips how you can utilize the most of this application. So before, for a couple of days you can use it just naturally, normally, and after after for a week, what you could do, you can be ready with one topic, such as on pollution or on a woman empowerment or social media or metro or any topic, business, any topic or any subject. So you can be ready with that, and then you can talk about that topic. As you are ready with that topic, you have read about it, so you will be able to speak more on that topic. You will also gather few other points from strangers, and you will also get the chance. And the second tip is that learn the English thing in the sense means that learn a grammar rule. For instance, you don't know about the how to use rather than, or how to use could or can, how to use few specific word. Teach them how. You could just connect it. How could how, like, you are connected with the stranger, you can use that. How do you know how to use this rather than and these kind of these words? So you can ask form a sentence using these words. So this is how, by teaching, you also learn. And if you learn a new word, then teach on that application. So in this sense, the moral of the story is that you have to speak more and more and more. You have to find ways to speak more and more and more. So this was the video. If you want to know how to utilize ChatGPT for speaking English part, you can click here to watch this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.